Okay, children. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
All are fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Flamingo, as you know, it is completed, better, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And we are going to begin with the new book. And meanwhile, we'll do some of the writing skills also, okay? But before beginning, do you have any doubts related to the quarterly paper or related to the questions that were given? Do
Ma'am,
you
in
have
one
any doubt?
question.
Yes, Sumit, what happened, beta?
Ma'am, the question who was sitting at the last of the classroom.
That was marked wrong. By mistake, it was marked wrong. So you do not need to worry about it. I had already given you bonus marks. Okay, one bonus
Okay,
marks
ma'am.
have been given for it. Any other doubt in any of the questions? Any other doubt in any of the question?
No, ma'am.
You can
No,
come
ma'am.
out if you are having any doubts. Anybody is having?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'll just 1 minute wait. How many Harshit are there in the class?
Ma'am, one.
How many Harshit are there? Yes, Aishwarya.
Ma'am, Harshita Jain.
Okay, she
Only.
did not appear in the exam.
Ma'am, she had given the
Harshita Jain,
exam.
she is there. Harshita, did you appear in the exam?
Ma'am,
Harshita
actually,
Jain?
ma'am,
Maybe.
her audio is not connected.
Maybe. She's having the problem. Maybe the network
Yes,
or the
ma'am.
audio. Overall, how many students are there in 12th Commerce, Aishwarya? Yeah, she appeared, I got. How many students
Ma'am,
are there?
69.
60?
9.
69 are there, okay. So now 62 students, they have attempted the test. And Harshit is there?
Yes, ma'am. Harshit
Ma'am,
Pandey.
Okay. And few students, they did not attempt the test.
Ma'am, 69 one is 11 commerce.
But I'm talking of your class only, na 12th Commerce.
69 were in 11 commerce and 12 commerce. We don't know how many.
Sumit, we are in 12th Commerce, ma'am.
You people are in 12th Commerce, maybe any new admissions or something like that. Na?
Yes, ma'am. Some.
So you all must be knowing your marks very well,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
Yes.
The students who got 100% marks, I did not add any marks to it. But because already they were getting full marks, but the students who did not get full marks means one bonus mark had been given to them, right? Even Sumit,
Yes, ma'am.
what was the problem with you? You made mistakes?
No, ma'am. By mistake, I ticked the wrong answer.
You took the,
Wrong answer, ma'am.
yeah, you got
Delhi,
48
I think.
marks, means one mark had been added to it. So by
Okay,
mistake,
ma'am.
it was done. Aishwarya, what happened to you?
Ma'am, there was little confusion between the options. I thought they were both A, B, and A and B because of the content of the chapter. So this is the point why I mistaken and
Means 2, 3 wrong you did. One ka to chalo chodo. That was
yes, ma'am.
the wrong option by mistake. But 2 you did wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
And it was which one? Rag pickers wala? One was there. Rag pickers
ma'am.
gave explanation to the author for remaining barefoot was.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So they had given this explanation. Do you remember? Ki it was
Yes,
only
ma'am. I remember you have
it was
asked
their
in
tradition.
the test also.
And Anis Jung, she says that it was only an excuse as they wanted to remain away from the continuous state of poverty. Okay. So this was said by Anis Jung. Ki they gave this excuse ki it is a tradition to remain barefoot because they did not want to show that they were lacking money, they were poor. समझ में आया? तो both option हो ही नहीं सकता बेटा, कैसे होगा? And the other
Yes, ma'am.
question was? And the other one was?
Sorry, ma'am, but I can't remember.
Who
1 minute, ma'am.
spells
I'll check.
hope for the slum children?
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
spells?
I
Who gave
thought
hope?
it.
Last
Ma'am,
para,
in
do you
the
remember
last line,
children?
Poya
हाँ
said
बेटा,
that
last para, do you remember when the writer urges to the governor, the visitors, the inspectors and all to take these children out of the slum area and to expose them under the sun?
yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो they were like hope for these children ना, तो last option होना था इसका.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other student who wants to know the marks? You must be knowing the marks better. मालूम है ना marks तो सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next, see, note making I had already taught you in class 11, isn't it? Now what will
Yes,
I
ma'am.
do? I'll just send you the passages. Clear, beta? I'll send you the passages on the app or on the WhatsApp, whatever it is. And from that passage, we are going to do the note making, right?
Yes,
Vistas,
ma'am.
we will
Yes,
begin,
ma'am.
and the very first chapter we are going to do is the third level. Did I tell you the summary of the third level, children? Everyone is speechless.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
मैंने summary
Yes,
बताई
ma'am.
थी.
Yes,
ध्यान है
ma'am.
हमें? What is Shashan Goyal sending the message to everybody? He left and he sent the message. Okay, so what was the summary? Who was the main character of this story? So this story, you know, it revolves around a 31-year-old businessman or a man, and his name was Charlie, and he experiences something weird, you know, and he says that the New York, you know, it has got only 2 main stations, but anyhow, he reaches to the third level. Okay, there were only 2 levels, but he says that he reaches to the third level. Okay, one day what happens when he was coming from his work and it was quite late, so he just wanted to choose a shortcut, you know, a subway he wanted to take so that he might reach his home early. So he just got down, and when he just entered uh, these platforms, the stations, anyhow, he reaches to the third level. Okay, and that third level, you know, actually did not exist according to the people, but anyhow, he reaches there, and then he shares all this with his psychiatrist friend Sam. And this friend, he thinks that Charlie, you know, he's fed up of this world. So he just wants to escape from the realities of this world. That is why he's giving such excuses. Okay. And but Charlie, he thinks that he experienced time travel, and 1890s he reaches there before the world, you know, 1890s means before there were two world wars, you know, the world wars, they happened afterwards. So usse pehle, okay, he reaches there, and when he reaches there, he sees that everything was absolutely different. And there he decides, you know, how did he come to know? Because the ticket booth, it was made of wood, and you know, they were having brass pitons, and the currency, the money, you know, it was of different kinds. The notes that he was having, okay, they were of different kinds, and that, and a bundle of newspapers, you know, it was kept, that shows that it was the 18th century, somewhat 1890s. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चार्ली को जब लगता है कि वो तो 1890s में ऐसा कुछ पहुंच गया है, and then he tries to get 2 tickets for him and his wife, और ये सोचता है कि हम ये इलोनियस है तो वापस यहाँ पर I'll just come with my wife, as it was a nice place. गेल्सबर्ग इलोनियस का है, लेकिन unfortunately जो currency that was used, okay, at that time it was different, or he was not able to buy the ticket, okay. And then when he just comes back to his home, you know, whatever deposit he was having, he just takes out the deposit. He just withdrew all his savings, and got them converted, okay. Though he had a loss, but he got them converted into the old currency. And then again he goes there, and he tries to find out the third level once again, so that he might go and he might buy 2 tickets for him and for himself and for his wife. But anyhow beta, he fails to find the third level again, okay. सारा अपना पैसा निकाल लेता है, और उसको लगता है कि हालांकि उसको लॉस होता है, लेकिन उसको लगता है वो 2 टिकट्स ले लेगा गेल्सबर्ग जाके, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी जगह थी उसके और उसकी वाइफ के लिए. बट व्हेन ही ट्राइज टू फाइंड आउट द थर्ड लेवल, लेकिन जब ढूंढने की कोशिश करता है वो थर्ड लेवल, तो उसको मिलता नहीं है वो थर्ड लेवल, ठीक है. बहुत कोशिश करता है ना. और उसकी वाइफ और उसका साइकियाट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड जो होता है सैम, यू नो, दे आर वेरी मच वरीड. उनको लगता है कि he is just trying to run away from this world, from the present situation, and he is just trying to take refuge from reality and miseries of the modern world, okay. तो इनसे वो भागना चाह रहा है. But Charlie, you know, उनको convince भी करता है, but they were not convinced. Anyhow, he just continues with his stamp collection, okay. उसको स्टैम्प कलेक्टिंग का शौक था, उसके ग्रैंडफादर करते थे, और सेम हॉबी ही कंटिन्यूज. तो एक दिन when he was the shuffling with all his stamp collection, you know, with all the envelopes, so he finds an envelope on which the address was there, but that envelope, you know, it had a paper in it, a letter was there in it, and when he opened it, he found that it was a letter from his friend Sam, who was Sam, his psychiatrist friend, okay. And this friend, you know, he was missing recently, है ना, अभी कुछ समय से मिस हो रहा था, उसका कोई अता पता नहीं था. तो सैम ये लेटर लिखता है कि चार्ली, वॉट एवर यू सेड, यू नो, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू बिलीव, और मैं ये जानना चाहता था थर्ड लेवल के बारे में, और just to find the third level. Anyhow, मैं पहुंच चुका हूँ third level पे, I'm there, or it is really a very nice place, and I would also like that you and your wife, you know, you people also continue looking for the third level, and you should come to this place. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sure. बेटा इस चैप्टर का ऐसा कोई रेलिवेंस है नहीं. ओके, इट इज ऑल अ फिक्शन. फिक्शन समझते हो ना, पूरा एक हाँ इमेजिनेशन, एक इमेजिनेटिव बुक्ड अप स्टोरी है, राइट? और यही बताया गया है कि किस समय 2 वर्ल्ड वॉर से पहले क्या कंडीशंस थी इन विच द पीपल, यू नो, they were always looking for an excuse to run away from the present situation. Got it? और थोड़ा टाइम ट्रेवल के बारे में बता दिया. एक्चुअली ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे नेवर हैपेंड, राइट? लेकिन ये फिक्शन है. और फाइनली जो फ्रेंड वो विश्वास नहीं करता है इस पर, साइक्रेटिस्ट फ्रेंड, उसको भी एक अट्रैक्शन पैदा हो जाता है फॉर द प्लेस दैट ही हैड विजिटेड, और एनी हाउ ही फाइंड्स अ वे टू द थर्ड लेवल. वो वहां पहुंच भी जाता है, लेटर लिखकर अपने फ्रेंड चार्ली को इनवाइट करता है और उसकी वाइफ को. दिस इज द चैप्टर. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
श्योर?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So we'll begin tomorrow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We'll begin tomorrow and have the books, as well as I'll just send you some of the passages. Go through them. Keep them with you when we begin with the class. Note making one, okay? Those passages will be for note making. Yes, Sumit?
Ma'am, note making summarizing is deleted.
Huh?
Note
Beta,
making
I'll just
summarizing is
check it.
deleted.
Actually, I'm not sure about note making, but I'll just check it, okay? नहीं तो कुछ unseen passages भेजेंगे, वो थोड़ी ना delete होंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
I had given you the things that were deleted, na? The topics that were deleted.
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें I did not give you note making was deleted, was it?
Yes, ma'am. It was not making it.
Yes, ma'am.
Not there. Anyways, you know, I'll just go through it once again, okay? The chapters of the
Okay,
topics that had been deleted by CBSE, I'll just see it right now. समझ गए बेटा? मैं अभी देख लूंगी.
Okay, ma'am.
यदि वो डिलीटेड होगा तो पैसेजेस कुछ भेज दिए जाएंगे आपको फॉर द प्रैक्टिस एंड सम अदर राइटिंग स्किल्स. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Enough for today. Tomorrow
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
begin with the explanation. Right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, thank you. God
Thank
bless
you, ma'am.